all been building up to this. You finally find your dream home. You place an offer on it, offer accepted. Sweet! Now we go into what's called under contract or into processing. This is the absolute most important time. This is where we, no joke, verify everything. Your employment, your income, your assets. Historically, there have been some really big blunders. Big blunders that will absolutely blow up your deal. So I'm going to go over your general orders to home buying. First off, do not be this guy.
Hey guy, hey, I just want to tell you, if you're in the market for some new furniture, the furniture store down the road is having a killer sale right now. I made out like a bandit. How did I pay for it? Use the money out of my checking account. Yeah. Oh, what do you mean? Closing costs? Oh yeah, I remember you talking about that. Well, what's it? Are we good? Huh?
Well, yeah. Think of it like this. Short-term pain equals long-term gain. That furniture sale that you saw last night is not a once-in-a-lifetime thing. It's actually a monthly occurrence. You just haven't paid attention to it because you haven't been in that mindset. Now that you're getting ready, you're this close to buying a home, now you're starting to see it. You don't need it. Or go ahead, buy the couch. You say bye-bye to that house. Same goes for car loans. Come on, these guys are sleazy used car salesmen. That's why it's a derogatory term. They're going to say whatever they want to make you buy the car because they want the commission. Avoid large purchases without talking to your loan officer. Don't be this guy either.
Hey, what does an LOX mean? A lax? What's lax mean? Oh, a letter of explanation? Why do you need me to explain the $10,000 deposit into my new bank account? Bruh, look at my hat. I'm divorced. This is one of the first things I bought when the divorce is final. I'm divorced, bruh. I hid $10,000 from her during the proceedings so she couldn't get her hands on it. So then I had to open a new account because her name is on my old one. I don't want her to get my money. And then I opened it with the $10,000 underneath my mattress that I hid. Sucks to be her. We good?
Seriously. Speak to your loan officer before doing something like that. That is a very easy way to blow up your deal. Think about it. You're asking to borrow money. A random $10,000 deposit into a brand new bank account is going to cause massive issues. Also, your credit. It's a snapshot. Do not pay off or dispute any collections on your report. You were already pre-approved with those collections on your credit report. Just leave it alone. Don't poke the bear. Do not change banks. And do not make large deposits. Think of it like this. Your loan officer, you cannot do anything without speaking to your loan officer first. That's the easiest and best advice I can give you. And lastly, I present to you this guy.
You called my work? Why didn't you just ask me? We already had this conversation. I told you I am a full-time employee. But, what? My work said what? Oh, well, I guess I'm kind of busted. You caught me. Yeah, I'm only working like 20 hours right now. Because, I can work whenever I want to. My work says I can work as much overtime as I want. So, you told me I couldn't use that as income before. But, when I go, after this closes, I am going to work 30 hours of overtime a week. I guarantee it. Can't you just take my word for it? So, yeah, I'm only working 20 hours. Got a lot of stuff to do, brah. Are we good?
Do not switch or change your job. Don't change your job. Stay the course. Again, short-term pain equals long-term gain. To recap, do not involve yourself with any large transactions or purchases such as furniture, cars, be a co-signer on a loan. None of that. Do not open up new bank accounts. Do not do anything out of the ordinary with your credit. Out of ordinary meaning, just make the payment. That's it. Don't pay off anything. Don't dispute anything. Do not change banks. We need 2 months of verification. If you change banks in the middle of the transaction, we can't get 2 months. Do not make any large deposits. We have to source these. Source meaning, where did they come from? You're not going to make $25,000 at a garage sale. Sorry, not going to happen. You're asking to borrow a large chunk of money. A lender is going to verify that you have the ability to repay the said money. We do that through your employment. If you switch employment while we're under contract, especially the way you're getting paid, buy a house. Don't do anything without talking to your loan officer first. There you have it. Your general orders of home buying. Hope this video helps you avoid these I.E.D.s before they blow up your deal. All right? Believe it or not, every scenario in this video was actually true. Again, my name is Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine. Have a great week. Stay safe. Remain vigilant. Semper Fi. I'm out of here.